Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today is just going to be a quick video. I am doing my Thanksgiving Day dessert, and this is a dessert that I always have to make for Thanksgiving because this was my grandmother's dessert. I grew up on this dessert, and it was always just called the dessert, and I think it's more like an ambrosia. I have seen things that kind of resemble this dessert, but you take a regular marshmallow and you break it apart in fours, and you do that with basically what I do is 2 bags of marshmallows, 1 can of crushed pineapple drained, and then tomorrow it will sit overnight, and then tomorrow I will whip up some real cream with a tablespoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of vanilla and a tablespoon of sugar. Get myself some real nice whipped cream, and then I will fold it in the marshmallows and the pineapples. Just so delicious. I'm a pineapple person, so I love pineapple desserts. So this is like, I have to have this. I can eat this first thing in the morning. But anyway, guys, I'm not gonna go through the whole process with you here tonight. I have started my Christmas decorating. I have gotten into my living room, so I'll give you a little tour of what I've done in there. This will be just a very quick video. By the time you see this video, it'll be Thanksgiving evening. It'll come out about 9 p.m. on Thanksgiving, which is my normal night to post a video. So yeah, it is Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, so that's why I'm prepping my dessert here. So I hope that you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving, or that you have had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and that you enjoy the rest of the weekend and enjoy this holiday weekend with family and friends. I'm so happy that you come along and watch what I'm up to on these videos. I will have some more decorating videos for Christmas. I'm sure I'll have a recipe or two, and yeah, I think some DIYs. So I hope that you'll check back and enjoy this little tour. So take care, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye for now.